Hello dear student, this is the friction for class 8. What is friction? We should know motion between two objects that are in contact with each other. Smoother surfaces exhibit less friction, rougher friction surfaces exhibit more friction. Friction opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in contact. It acts on both the surfaces. Friction depends on the nature of surfaces in contact. Dear student, we should know the types of function also. What are the types of function? There are 5 types of function that we see in the daily life. Okay. First is static friction. When a body is at rest, the force of friction is called the static friction and is always equal and opposite to the applied force. The force of friction, which acts when the body is just at the verge of sliding on the surface, is called limiting friction. Number 2, sliding friction. The friction force which opposes the actual relative sliding motion between two contact surfaces. Sliding friction is smaller than static friction. Number 3, rolling friction. The friction force that exists between two surfaces when a body rolls over the other. Rolling friction is smaller than sliding friction. Okay. Number 4, increasing friction. By pressing the surfaces together more strongly, when brakes are applied on a bicycle or a car, the brake pads press against a moving part of the wheel and the force of friction increases, and hence the bicycle or a car may be stopped. Number 5, reducing friction. Polishing, lubricating using ball bearings, separation of surfaces by air, and streamline shape. These are the ways to reduce the friction. Okay. Causes of friction. Friction is caused by the irregularities on the two surfaces in contact. Even those surfaces which appear very smooth have a large number of minute irregularities on them. For a given pair of surfaces, friction depends upon the state of smoothness of those surfaces. Friction depends on how hard the two surfaces press together. Static friction comes into play when we try to move an object at rest. Sliding friction comes with play when an object is sliding over another. Sliding friction is smaller than static friction. Friction is important for many of our activities. Frictions can be increased by making a surface rough. The sole of the shoes and the tires of the vehicles are trodden to increase friction. The friction is sometimes undesirable. Friction can be reduced by using lubricants. Okay. When one body rolls over another body, rolling friction comes into play. Rolling friction is smaller than the sliding friction. In many machines, friction is reduced by using ball bearings. Flat friction can be minimized by giving suitable shapes to bodies moving in flats. Thank you those friends. Share to your friend also and make enjoy. Okay. Thank you.